Okay, so starting a new master bathroom today. So let me show you what I've got and what I need to do. So first off, I made sure that I covered all the hardwood, covered the carpet in the bedroom. I'm going to be this is the hydroban board, the foam board I'm going to be using for the shower stall. You set it up on sawhorses, it makes it a lot easier to cut. And this is the master bathroom. So the GC's coming. He's going to be putting up drywall as I'm closing this in here. So this is going to be all the hydroban board. There's going to be a niche here. It's going to be a niche here. There's going to be a vertical waterfall border here. And they don't have enough tile. They wanted to do two waterfall borders, but they don't have enough tile. So I'll show you the second the tile is going in here. It's going to be in the niche. The niche is going to have like really long leashes. Bench seat and mud shower floor. And I'll show you what that is in a second. Pretty big shower. Lots of work to do here. The ceiling is not going to be tiled. It's just going to be plastered. And they're going to have frameless glass enclosures for the shower stall. On the floor, we're going to have tile obviously on the floor, but there's a back order on that. But anyway, let me show you the tile. So the tile we have on the walls is this tile here. It kind of has like a wave to it. The herringbone is the shower floor, and the glass mosaic is for the waterfall borders. So let me get started, and I'll check in a little bit. Oh, one more thing. So this is a bathroom I did here. I don't know if you remember, if you see my other video, I did not do this floor, but I did do this tub area. It was a few months ago now. So now we're back to do the master bath. So one important thing that you need to do is make sure that your walls are flat before you put up your board. So that's going to make installing the tile a lot easier. So these walls are not too bad. There's a few studs that have to be addressed. This stud here has a bow in it. As you can see, it's not flat against the sheetrock. Where I put my pencil mark, that's where it's bowing out. So I'm going to just shave this down with a planer. Here's my planer. Right there, it's just an electric planer. And then I have this stud and this stud that I have to fur out an 1/8 of an inch. So I'm just going to put some ram board on that, and the rest of them are really good. So I'm going to plane this down. I actually have several videos where I show how to do that, so I'm not going to include that in this video. This video is basically going to be, well, it's going to be a series of videos. It's basically going to be just the progress that I get done day by day. Okay, so this is the progress so far. GC got the ceiling up, well, most of the ceiling up anyway. And I'm going to continue with the hydroban board.